Got it.
Yes.
Where's everybody at? There you are. I see you. Oh wait, that's not you.
Oh,
There you are. I see you.
I think. I don't know. Who are you? Somebody's
Oh,
got a
bah.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hello.
I keep getting scam calls from India. I keep
Oh
fucking
my
with
God,
them.
I died first, of course.
Got one? Where they at?
There, of course.
There's so much smoke.
Yeah.
I got fucked up.
I died. Just camp in the window.
The crack a bottle, let your body waddle.
Contested.
That's in the booty hole.
Get up this ladder, character.
Alright, let me know if anybody comes in.
I don't see nobody.
Damn, I just saw by
two
accident. I
trophies,
killed like
two,
3 niggas.
Behind
They
you,
beat
Tony?
all- they're
In
all-
the
they're
building?
all over.
Yeah.
Oh, they're also coming the other way. Alright.
I don't see nobody. I'm just getting shot at, though.
I'm on the hard point. Let's go.
I died because I can't see nobody.
Wow.
Okay, in this building.
Amazing.
Oh, no. Killing me. You're not in the building, you're just killing me.
Yo, I hear chickens outside.
Chickens like outside?
Yeah, like actual chickens.
I gotta go investigate.
Where are they, dude?
Chickens
Gunshots just
outside.
from everywhere.
I'm stuck.
Ain't
This
no
corner.
fucking way.
I can't kill him, though. I'm so dead.
Oh yeah, that.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
What is this
Yeah, I
person
was
doing
there.
over here? This dude's running around like a
Chickens
crazy
outside,
man.
man.
Chicken, what the fuck? That's annoying. Oh, we always got weird ass noises and shit.
Weird ass people living here.
Can eat that.
America's.
Oh my god, this. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Nigga, I'm your
I can't see
teammate. Why are you
shit.
shooting me? Yo, Emmanuel, fuck you, man.
What just happened?
America's.
Oh my god.
Get in this building.
Guy upstairs, hard point.
I blew your nades
Got
up.
him.
Did you though? You
Well,
did.
I mean, the first one.
God damn.
I'm waiting to be killed from behind like usual.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can't
You
hit
get killed
this
from
dude.
behind? Damn, bro.
You
Sorry.
talk like a
Oh, I die every time. Always behind.
Honestly, bro, use a shotgun on Dragon's Breath, you have no problem.
Wow, okay. Far back corner somewhere. High
Follow me.
shots. Somebody's upstairs. I'm dying.
Left
Dying.
corner.
I thought you were behind me. There's an enemy behind me.
Yeah, he's behind me now.
Pay attention, nigga.
Oh, I almost stuck him.
Oh shit. Why is there so much lag when I throw a grenade?
Dumb boo boo.
I don't know why your game's lagging.
No, it's like I click to throw and then my character thinks about it for a minute. So it ends up like not going through a window because I left.
I don't
To
know.
the window, to the wall.
There's
to
smoke,
the
so I'll just hit
wall.
firing everywhere. I don't
The
need to-
sweat dropped down my balls. Oh,
I'm outta
this
here.
thing is wrong. Oh,
They're on the point upstairs.
Yeah, it's
I'm getting shot from somewhere else. That's cool. Oh, behind you.
We're getting work.
Got him. Let's go.
God damn it. How the fuck?
Oh, they're just smoking and shooting.
Sorry, we're going upstairs. Oh, there's a guy up there. Shooting me, sweet.
Nah, there's people downstairs.
Oh.
Nigga, I was to empanadas.
His guy top from the middle building
Screwed, dude.
right now.
I mean, yeah, I
want
died
some
before I even
donuts.
get there.
Oh shit, donuts.
Oh my.
Where are they?
There we
This
go.
Oh
guy,
my
there's a guy on
God,
top of the
yeah,
middle
down
building
at the
and
bottom.
fucking people up.
I can't figure out how to get there without dying. I'm on the new one though.
Hey, you talk too much, bro.
Oh my god.
Hey, yo, bro.
It's called
You have
mute.
a
up,
fucking
nigga.
talk show? Cause you
Called
talk a
mute.
lot, nigga. Damn.
Yeah, like
So
who you
muted.
talking to?
Nah, we
bro?
don't want to mute you. Like we're teammates, but damn.
Nah,
like,
just shut
simmer
up,
down,
nigga.
motherfucker.
You ain't even gotta do all that
Damn,
talking.
like just a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no.
Somehow I'm still alive.
Talking about lame shit, man.
Like I ain't trying to be rude with your boy, but
Kind
damn.
of are
shut the
trying to
fuck
be
up.
rude though. I mean, you could just mute it.
I'm sorry. Can
You're
I?
talking to somebody on
fuck
okay.
that,
Yeah,
bro. Like,
yeah, they're getting all
Mute
mad.
your mic.
Yeah,
You can
mute him.
mute your mic.
No, because see, they're mad that I'm just talking.
You know what I mean?
So
Yeah.
they can
Yeah,
mute
a
me.
little
Like
bit.
they are
Bro.
in
A little
100%
bit.
control.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little
Yeah,
bit.
we are. And
I am a
But-
little bad.
I just go ahead and mute him. Mute him anyway.
It's
You need to
crazy.
quit
Though.
talking
They're
and
so
playing,
angry.
nigga.
Oh yeah.
Bro,
You distracted.
I don't
nigga.
appreciate you talking to us like this.
Like they're really angry. It's crazy.
all that talking.
Who is it
nigga.
that's
Bro,
who is it
you're
that's
crazy.
talking
Talking some
though?
bullets,
I don't know.
nigga.
Hold on, let me see something.
Like, why are you so upset? What did we
Nigga,
do?
learn something,
Oh,
nigga.
it's that guy.
Bitch ass.
I muted him
Man, I'm trying to
again.
order these donuts.
We're
bro.
just some COVID patients over here, okay?
Oh my God! Now they're throwing the COVID out there. They are hating hard.
chocolate with rainbow sprinkles, cinnamon sugar with vanilla drizzle,
Yeah,
vanilla
nigga.
with Oreo crumble, strawberry
dude's
with
high
powdered
as fuck
sugar,
talking about
maple
ice cream, I
icing with
think.
chopped bacon, peanut butter
Nice.
icing.
Bro,
Hell
you want some
yeah,
ice
nigga.
cream?
I want all that. Shut the fuck up, nigga. I'm gonna
I
order
think
these
somebody else
donuts,
is mad
bro.
at somebody else for talking. Stream's loving it though. It's a lot of hate.
So you love it?
A lot of hate going around.
It's what makes
Honestly,
videos.
bro, you about to get stabbed, nigga.
Why can't I find the damn stairs, dude?
Bring this motherfucker.
I don't appreciate the way you're talking to us.
If anybody's got a stream or something,
And you're
say
not
your name.
and you're not even doing good. You're like,
I ordered some
shit.
donuts, motherfucker.
Oh no.
Huh?
I ordered some donuts.
Hey.
I feel like I don't understand this conversation because I muted one person.
Yeah, bro, like why can't we all get
Killed you
along?
downstairs.
Yeah, Eric, nah, fuck that nigga, bro.
Some guy's name is Eric.
Like,
I'm
damn.
mad at somebody else.
Is it so hard to just love?
Shut up, Tyler.
Homie, choose love.
You said love's overrated?
I said choose love.
I'm the only one on the hard
Friendship is
point.
overrated, nigga.
You are? Oh no, I'm below it.
You're below.
Yeah,
Contested
nigga.
somehow.
You'll
Now
blow
you
what?
Below the belt, bitch.
Who you gonna blow?
took my kill. You took my.
I
You
didn't
didn't
shoot
take-
him. I didn't shoot him.
I'm,
You didn't take my kill.
I
You
didn't
just shot
take
him.
no kill. Oh, grenade.
Just jump out the window.
Hey, there's a
Damn,
grenade.
nigga with the bazooka.
Yeah, you ain't shoot nobody.
No.
I want some tacos.
You want some what?
Tacos. I mean,
Bad
5th grade, we
toss.
said we was gonna be Crips. 7th grade, we said we were gonna be honor students.
Jesus.
Yo, we're getting work.
Nah, I'm getting donuts, nigga. About you. Yeah, we, you speaking French?
Okay, dude, I saw you get
Watch this. Fuck you, nigga. I beat that nigga ass.
Kobe.
Hey, where that nigga that talk a lot?
On GDD.
Where
Sucks.
that nigga that was talking a lot, where'd he go?
No, yo, where you
Fuck
at,
up.
bro? Mr. Talk a lot.
Yeah.
I'm out here
Still
sniping
here,
people.
just
Tyler.
dying.
sniping people
Yeah,
with
nigga.
P90.
Dying,
Play
yeah.
harder, nigga.
We know, nigga.
Focus,
Damn.
nigga.
Oh my god, it's awesome.
Look, we can
Oh
still.
fuck
Look,
my
we can
fucking
still make a
thing
comeback.
where it's got 2 kills.
Yeah, like, I don't even know what I could say to, like, set him off even more. It wouldn't take much, though. One dude's
Hey, bro.
probably getting Uber Eats for sure.
Uber Eats.
100%.
Yeah,
Oh
see,
my
100% he's getting Uber Eats. He was talking about all the food.
Hey, I fuck with you, Michael. I fuck with you.
Terrible.
Oh no, it was awesome.
What about Uber Eats? What about Uber Eats?
Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, I will see you later,
Just
bro.
made my day.
Look, you made my night.
Hey, but
Oh,
fuck you
okay.
other niggas though.
Fuck other niggas, yeah.
Niggas that wasn't talking. Fuck y'all for letting us bully this nigga.
Shut up, pussy boy.
Yeah.
You fucking
Y'all are
clit.
neighbors.
You're a fat ass clit.
Blue team is all.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress. So I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.